Hello, Visión Verde team. This is a screencasting to show you how to design something to be 3D printed using Tinkercad and 3D printed onto a mesh or bioplastic. So I'm going to show you an example. Here is a 3D printed bracelet that were components designed in Tinkercad and then 3D printed onto mesh. We're going to 3D print both on mesh and on biomaterials, and we're going to try to also print with some algae filament. So here's some other views of the process. So after we 3D print on the mesh, we will sew it together and you will create a bracelet. Okay, so that's kind of that final outcome. But I'm going to show you step by step how to do some Tinkercad. So your first step is going to be, first, you're going to sketch in your sketchbook some unit design ideas. And what I mean by unit design ideas, what are little components like these little scales here that you might design? So I'd like you to design one shape that you repeat. Okay? And then that shape, after you sketch some ideas of what that shape might be, you're going to create that in Tinkercad. So you're going to go up to tinkercad.com. And if you don't already have a Tinkercad account, you're going to create one. And after you create your account, you're going to click on Create New Design. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and just click on this because I've actually created a template we'll be using. And here on this screen, if I can get this to rotate, is a form that I've created that is, get this to work, 50 millimeters by 60 millimeters by 20 millimeters tall. And what this box is, it's just a shape that you can use to make sure that you're designing within the boundaries of what we want to 3D print, okay? So I'll be sharing this file with you. You can just do a search in Tinkercad in the gallery for hashtag Visión Verde, and then you can open it up. But what I really want you to do is design a shape, and I'm going to walk you through a couple ways to do that. So one way is to use, I'm going to move this over just a little bit so you can see it.